Ever wondered why stem cell therapy is making headlines in the medical world? It's not hype, it's a real game changer. Stem cells are your body's natural repair kit. They can transform into specialized cells, helping to regenerate damaged tissues and even organs. Unlike traditional treatments that only manage symptoms, stem cell therapy targets the root cause of diseases like Parkinson's, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. So, why is it so popular today? Minimally invasive. Personalized using your cells. Fast recovery. Wide range of uses, from sports injuries to anti-aging. In India, stem cell therapy is growing rapidly, especially in Delhi. If you're considering trying it, Global Stem Cell Care offers expert guidance and customized treatment plans. Whether you're battling a chronic condition, recovering from injury, or exploring anti-aging options, stem cell therapy could be your path to real healing. Ready to learn more? Reach out to Global Stem Cell Care and take the first step toward a healthier future. Stem cell therapy, modern medicine's most promising frontier. Let the healing begin.